This is exactly what was needed.
Ahead was the forest. Blue snow covered the trees. Everything was still, as if listening to the story.
Don't worry, little one. I'll help you. I was stuck. The ice and holding your wings. I can't fly like this. Let your wings be free. I can fly again. Thank you. Princess, people like you bring light into this world. Thank you. We all can share warmth. From the fairies' happiness, a second golden light appeared. Finally, Laila reached the last place, the blue cave. This was the very place where Shadow Mist hid. The cave was dark, but Laila could hear her own voice echoing off the walls. Sometimes I'm scared. Sometimes I feel alone. Yes, I am afraid, but my heart has courage, and that is the light.
From these words, a third beam of light emerged from her heart and merged into her wand.
Now my wand is complete. I am ready. It's time to bring back the light.
The shadow was waiting for her there.
You've returned. Alone? You have no power.
The warmth of the heart comes from 3 places: a smile, freedom, and your own truth.
The 3 lights merged into a warm golden circle above her. The light spread. Shadows screamed and melted away like ice.
Norbel shone brightly. Then,
The kingdom filled with light. The sun rose. People came out, clapping joyfully.
the little snow fairies flew around the icy palace. They were bright, happy, and free. This is the heart of bravery. Whoever holds it will never feel darkness. The light never ends if the heart is brave. Laughter filled the palace, the weather brightened, and the day ended beautifully. A brave heart can bring light to the coldest world. If you love this story, like, comment, share, and follow my channel.